Before starting tenses, let me ask you some questions. Why do we study tenses? What do you mean by tenses? And what are the three types of tenses? Now let us study tenses in detail. Tenses are different forms of verbs describing something happened in the past, happening at present, or will happen in the future. Three types of tenses are: first, present tense; second, past tense; and third, future tense. Let us see what is the definition of present tense. Present tense shows the current action that is going to be performed. Four types of present tense are: first, simple present tense. Let us see what is its definition. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. Depending on the person, the simple present tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or es to the end. Its structure or formula is subject plus verb first form, and we will add s or es by using the root form at the end plus rest of the sentence. Some of the examples of simple present tense are: first, I take exercise daily. Second, she reads a book in the library. Now let us see the second type of present tense, that is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about an action taking place at the time of speaking. We can also use this tense to talk about actions taking place for a limited period of time, which is not necessarily happening at the time of speaking about it. Its structure or formula is subject plus am, is, are plus verb fourth form, that is ing, plus rest of the sentence. Some of the examples of present continuous tense are: he is playing football. I am studying in a high school. Third type of present tense is present perfect tense. Its definition is: the present perfect tense is a verb tense used to express actions that occurred at a non-specific time. It is also used to express actions that started in the past but continue to the present. Its structure or formula is subject plus has or have plus verb third form plus rest of the sentence. Example: he has made this colorful chart. Second, I have completed my assignment. The last type of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is also known as present perfect progressive tense. It is a verb tense which is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. The present perfect continuous usually emphasizes duration or the amount of time that an action has been taking place. Its structure or formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb fourth form, that is ing, plus rest of the sentence. Example: I have been completing my assignment for the last 3 days. Second, she has been working in this department since 2019. The second type of tense is past tense. Let us see its definition. Past tense expresses the actions happened in the past. There are 4 types of past tense. First, simple past tense. Its definition is, simple past tense is used to indicate a finished or completed action or task that occurred or happened at a specific point in time in the past. Its structure is subject plus verb second form or any irregular verb. What are irregular verbs? Irregular verb is one that does not take the ed ending plus rest of the sentence. Example, he completed the assignment. Second example, I read the newspaper. The second type of past tense is past continuous tense. The past continuous tense expresses events that lasted for a duration of time in the past. Its structure or formula is subject plus was or were plus verb fourth form, that is ing, plus rest of the sentence. Some of the examples of past continuous tense are, he was reading the book. Second, I was going to the park for a morning walk. Third, I was working when he called. We will study only 2 types of past tense today. The remaining 2 types of past tense we will study in our next online session. Now let us quickly recapitulate what we studied today. Today we studied the definition of tenses, that is, tenses are different forms of verb describing something happened in the past, happening at present or will happen in future. 3 types of tenses are present tense, past tense and future tense. Today we studied 2 types of tenses. First is present tense. Its 4 types: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. In past tense we studied about simple past tense and past continuous tense. Now based on today's topics, here is a short assignment for you. Enjoy your day. Thank you.